Put the mosquito repellent in the water and you won't believe what will happen. Put the mosquito repellent in the water and you won't believe the results. To do it, you will need a mosquito repellent spiral, which you must split into several pieces, and a container. In the meantime, I would like to know from which country you are watching us to send you a special greeting in our next trick. Today's special greeting goes out to Glennis from Canada and Liam from Mongolia. Thank you for watching our recipes. Next, add about 200 milliliters of 70 alcohol and also the juice of a lemon to the container. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. This fabulous homemade mosquito repellent also works to scare away other insects. It is advisable to place this homemade repellent in places where mosquitoes are common in your home, such as the living room, the bedroom table, the kitchen, and even the bathroom. It not only deters mosquitoes, but also leaves a pleasant lemon scent. Don't leave yet, because next I will teach you how to prepare another homemade insect repellent, but for your plants. To do this, simply dissolve a mosquito repellent in water. Add a little mosquito repellent and then a cup of water. Let this mixture sit for about an hour. After that time, strain it and add it to a spray bottle. This spray can repel mosquitoes and other insects that may be near your plants and harm them. You just have to spray it around your plants and that's it. The insects will stay away. Before you question it, let me assure you, this spray will not harm your plants. If you read the instructions for using mosquito repellent, you'll see it's not just for areas like your garden. You can also use it around your garbage bins to deter insects. The insects away. You can use it in the drain in your bathroom to repel insects. Also use it in your bathroom drain for the same purpose. In this way, your bathroom will be completely free of insects. If you made it this far, leave phone emojis so that I know you've learned the full insect repellent trick. If this is the first time you've seen one of my videos, subscribe to be the first to receive our tips.